Hi there, it's James speaking. I'm about to go on a road trip and I wanted to get this video out to you very quickly. So it's very rough and ready and unprepared, unscripted. I haven't done my hair and my makeup, but anyway, let's carry on. So Israel has bombed Iran. I'm not sure of all the details yet, just a few hours ago, and the markets have reacted. I'm not sure what they bombed and what the reaction response will be and what the US will do to try and dampen down the situation, but it's a very, very serious situation. The markets have moved and spoken. So let's go through the charts quickly. Very muted reaction on currencies, actually. The dollar dipped down a wee bit more, but not much. And you can see the euro just sort of sideways, the pound sideways, not much across the board. So we won't focus on that, but we'll come back to that later on today. I will do a video later on today when I reach my destination. I'll be traveling, and I'll go into this in more detail in that video. On stocks, we took profit at the bottom here on the German 30, and that trade is done for the week so far. We got out right at the bottom there. We got in at the top, so that one's over. I think we'll probably bounce up a bit and then carry on moving down later on if this is to be a bear market. That's very, very undecided right now because we got rid of our hedges on the NASDAQ and the S&P and added another short position. So we closed the long positions and went short at the top here, both on the NASDAQ and the S&P. Since the news, these are actually bouncing back a bit. You can see we bounced off the 20-period moving average on the NASDAQ and the S&P, and that might have to be hedged. This might be a false trap, and maybe Donald Trump in the US will sort all of this out, and it's not as bad as it seems. We don't know that just yet. We still have long positions on Tesla and Nvidia. I'm looking to get long on ARK-K. I don't know how those look in pre-market just yet. Bitcoin took a dip as well. We added another small tranche here at the 50-period moving average. That's also looking a bit weak and frail, I suppose. All of the cryptos come off a bit. Ethereum and XRP as well. Quite a big plunge on that one. But we're still long across the board on all three of these. Gold, we're short. I just added another short tranche to gold. I haven't put that arrow on this chart just yet. Let me do that right now. So I've added another short position on gold at that red arrow, and we'll see how that goes. My target remains $3,000. Once again, I'll cover all of this in much more detail in the video later on this afternoon at around about the time of the market open. We're out of silver. We took profit on this big, massive long trade on silver. We took profit yesterday, so we're out of that one now. And also on copper, we just got stopped out at break even at $4.72, so we're out of copper too. Going across to energies, natural gas, we're out of our trades now. We took profit on all of our shorts. We have no trades on for the weekend. We'll wait to see how the weekend plays out and what happens next week, so no positions on there. And then WTI oil, well, this is just about perfect, really. We got to the top of the channel. If you watched yesterday's video, and all the videos have been talking about the top of this channel that we could reach, well, we have reached it now. I didn't manage to get that short right at the top because I was asleep during all the bombing and whatever was going on. But we managed to get short a little bit lower down, and we're moving down now below $70 just a minute or two ago. So we now have plenty of shorts on WTI oil, and after spiking up to that channel top, exactly where I hoped it would go, even though we didn't quite get the top, we got pretty close. I'm looking for this to move down back to Moab. That's around $65 to $66, and then a breakdown there once again should take us back down to the channel bottom and eventually below that and this double bottom down here. And that's it, folks. I just wanted to cover you on the major things. So we've got nothing on nat gas. We're short on WTI oil. We've just added extra shorts to gold. We're out of silver and copper. We're still long on Ethereum, Bitcoin, and XRP. We're short now on the NASDAQ and the S&P. We'll have to see how that goes. I'm half hoping that these will actually carry on moving up and they'll be forced to hedge because I want my Bitcoin positions to move up as well. We're out of our German 30 short trade for a massive 1,130 points, so that was a fantastic trade. And we're still long on Tesla and Nvidia. And then going across to currencies, we're still long on the euro, still long on the Australian dollar against the US dollar, and we're still short on the euro Japanese yen. I'll see you in the video later on, folks. Have a good trading day. Good luck. It's going to be choppy and messy. It is Friday. Let's hope it's not free fall Friday this time. I'm hoping for a rally, even if that means we have to hedge our NASDAQ and S&P shorts. Well, good luck. I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. And if you feel like it, join the channel. There's a link below for $1 a month. See you soon. Bye.
They call me the hedgehog, rolling in the zone, layered like an onion with protection on the throne. I ain't reckless, I'm precise like a sniper with a plan. Every loss gets a hedge, I'm the risk-adjusted man. Got positions like chess, never checkmate fast. While they YOLO into doom, I'm built to outlast. I dance with the market, don't fight, just glide. And I hedge like a boss with my stop-loss pride. Hedgehog, hustle, smooth like jazz. Covered on the downside, still got pizzazz. Market go wild.